Good morning, Doug Williams, Blade Chevrolet. Thank you for letting me show you the 2006 Chevrolet Duramax fog lights, impact resistant headlight lenses, push bar with worn winch. If I was to see any flaws, I will make sure to point them out. Oh, no, that's just a piece of fuzz. Looking down the side, I see no dents, no door dings, no scratches. No curb rash. Wheels are brand new. There's the nubbies still on it. Chrome Weston running boards. Trailer towing mirrors. Love the way the white pinstripe is unobtrusive but yet breaks up the line. LT package. Power windows, locks. Bose speaker system. Power seat. No rips. There we go. No tears. No rub wears. Everything has its own rubber pull-out for easy cleanup. Automatic temperature control for both passenger and driver. Trailer tow haul. Leather wrap wheel. Redundant steering wheel controls. The wheel doesn't even have a chip or a nick in the leather. Automatic four-wheel drive. Automatic headlights. Fog and rear light. There is the box with instructions for the Evolution chip programmer. Back seats don't look like anybody has ever sat in them. Class 4 trailer towing hitch. Bed liner with no nicks, no scrapes. Over the rail. Looking down the passenger side once again, totally clean. WeatherTech floor mats, or WeatherTech style, I'm sorry. Passenger seat is just as pristine as the driver's. No cracks in the dash. No smells inside the vehicle at all. Once again, thank you for letting me show you the 2006 Chevy 2500 extended cab here at Blade Chevrolet. Thank you and have a great day.